How to fix Rocket League lag on Epic Games, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it. First, just click here and then close all the applications that you don't need, like this one. Click on it, like OBS. Click exit, and after that go to NVIDIA control panel. And now just click use my preference and move it to performance. And then just click apply and close it, and that's it. Now just try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your PC and close the applications again and try again. I hope that can help you, and that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.